Ito yung hotel na binabalik-balikan namin. Super good location for a food trip. 5-star pero hindi ganun kamahal plus madalas may promo sila. Tapos may access to onsen, pool, and gym. Hey friends, we're back at I'm Hotel sa Poblacion, Makati for food trip and staycation. We always get the prestige room pero meron silang mas affordable pang room. Wala nga lang bathtub yun. Medyo addicted na yata ako sa bathtubs. Rate for this room is 7,000 pesos per night but always keep an eye out for promos. Naalala ko dati we got this for less than 5,000 pesos a night with complimentary massage pa. Yung pool area nila, really nice, sarap mag-chill kahit hindi ka magsuswim. And their gym, not bad at all. Then may spa sila where you can get a massage and of course to access their onsen, steam, and sauna. These you can access as a checked-in guest ng hotel but not sure if limited time offer lang to or always included. By the way, check out also yung roof deck nila. May restaurant and bar but we went here just to check out the view. Now for location, it's a few minutes walk to a lot of Poblacion restaurants. Hindi ka mauubusan